before the rain. It's Saturday during the quarantine still, middle of yeah, a few days before 420, and took my cat to the vet. Let's see what else I can get into this morning. This is the rose garden right here, which we have the stones around right now, and show you my new project to go along with the ligustrums over here. These ligustrums in the back here, whoops. These ligustrums in the back here, they're actually being split up into a group of two sections because there's 12 plants. So I can water only six at a time per water pressure. And here's my valve box right here. I'm trying to build it myself. I have to make 2 layers, but essentially what I have right now is I have these 2 valves to the right. They go off to the quadrants on the right side of the yard, and these 2 would obviously go off to the quadrants on the left side of the yard. And I'll show you. I had to keep them essentially the same spacing apart due to the valves, because the valves are, even though, as I showed you, the solenoid with the wire on the left, it's actually removable, but in case it goes bad. But and the valve body is as well. It's actually just screwed in there. But so what I did was actually I left enough room in between these in case I have to actually remove an entire assembly. So that's why these over here, center to center, these are 5-inch pipes, which I basically I kept the same centering as the valve box right there. This is the new box, and this is the old valve box. The old valve box is basically nothing more than just a cross in there. I'll show you that later on. Anyway, I have to run dual lines this way. And for those of you wondering, everyone wants to know why do I have to zigzag darn lines across the yard. Well, let me explain. Step back and show you. Here's the valve box right here. The problem is that I'm trying to avoid the roots of the big tree, the 2 trees over here. So what I did was I just went around them, because I already have one pipe that goes up the center there into the island. And these 2 pipes will come over here. Delete the pipe on the left. No, delete. Yeah, okay, whatever. Take out one of the pipes. One of them will go straight ahead, and the other one will turn here and go that way. And so that's why I have that stripe right there. Well, it's approximate. I'm gonna connect it up here. This will be 6 plants, and then I'll have 6 plants connected down here as well. And the other thing is that I'm gonna have to branch out into a wishbone. 2 pipes on that side, and I have to have another pipe in here. The idea is to make it to where where you have a line for irrigation and actually a faucet supply line as well. So, and this over here has already been fenced off because Peaches, she likes to play in the front yard. So I kept the monkey grass here a little tall. And by the way, this hole over here shows where the existing line is. I think it runs out that way, and that ends. But the point is that right now it's just not quite deep enough. It's barely deep in the ground at all. So I got to redo that. Anyway, so that's what I know. All right, later.